In this video, we will show you how to install your new M6 series wall mount. First, gently detach the left side panel from the top of the device like the video shows. The joints on the side panel have buckles that stuck on the main body. We need to pull them apart. When we open the box, there are notes and relevant information on the lid. Next, take out all the stuff includes the M6 wall mount side shell, and the triangular box with screws inside. Then put them on the table. After that, we need to attach the side panel to our M6 router. When we heard a click, it means the panel was attached to M6 successfully. Now, we can see a dotted line on the side of the box. Cut down the lid of the box along the dotted line, so that we can locate the position of the M6 wall mounting. Put the cut lid on the wall, then drill 4 holes according to the pattern. Insert the sleeves into the 4 holes on the wall. Next, use a drill or screwdriver to screw the 4 provided screws into the sleeves on the wall. Please ensure that there is 2 to 2.5 mm of space between the screw heads and the wall. At last, we can hang the M6 with the wall mount on the wall as the video shows. For more information, please visit our website, www.mercku.com.